Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we can solve this 10 divided 1 by 5 times 5. Many people make mistake in this simple question. Yes, you heard it right because what they do, they cancel out the 5 with 5 and 10 divided by 1 as 10, which is a wrong answer. Yes, because as per PEMDAS or board mass rule, comment down below in your country what you called it. Multiplication and division both have same priority, but we have to solve it from left to right. People miss this step and do the wrong solution. So first, it's 10 divided 1 by 5. So there are two different things, 10 divided 5 and 10 divided 1 by 5. This case is 2, but this case is 10 multiply 5 by 1, that is 50. So 10 divided 1 by 5 is not 2, it's 50. So 50 multiply 5, that is 250. So what is the correct answer? 250, not 10. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.